started cleaning the silver instantly. So as I am cleaning this using a toothbrush, you could see the dirt in the brush. It's all brown. Now I'm putting all these ingredients in the boiling water. I've rubbed this bowl and I'm going to add this bowl in the boiling water. I'll keep it in the boiling water for around 2 to 3 hours. Since my bowl is very black, it's very dirty, so I'm going to keep it for 3 hours. I do have a lid for this bowl. I'm going to just put on the lid. So now it's almost 2 hours and I'm going to check my bowl. I'm going to scrub it using my toothbrush. I have scrubbed this bowl in between like in 10 or 15 minutes for 2-3 times, and I'm just now giving the final touch up now. You can see the water, it's very dirty. You could see the toothbrush, it has almost gone black. You could see the bowl now. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.